My video is dedicated to help you get rid of fake human verification alerts related to the site advertisingnpcclub.com. Advertisingnpcclub.com is a malicious site. It may attack Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. Advertisingnpcclub.com displays fake alerts, fake human verification alerts that try to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help users prove that they are humans and not robots. To click on allow, though, is extremely dangerous because this would hijack the browser with multiple advertisements that would be periodically attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. And if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by accessing the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site. Finally, in order to be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.